Ever felt like your schedule was a living, breathing monster, constantly demanding your attention, and frankly, a bit of a nightmare to manage? Especially if you're running a business where time is literally money? You're not alone. But here's the real question. Are you still using that tattered paper appointment book? Or relying on a patchwork of sticky notes and frantic text messages? If you are, you're losing time and probably quite a bit of sanity. Let's be honest. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And for service-based businesses, that efficiency often hinges on one crucial element: seamless appointment management. That's where Square Appointments comes in. But who exactly is using this tool, and more importantly, could it be the solution you've been searching for? We're going to dive deep into the diverse world of Square Appointments users, exploring the industries, the pain points, and the triumphs. We'll look at real-world scenarios and discover why this platform has become a game-changer for so many. First, let's paint a picture. Imagine a bustling hair salon, where stylists juggle back-to-back appointments, color formulas, and walk-ins. Without a streamlined system, chaos can quickly ensue. Now, picture the same salon using Square Appointments. Clients can book online, receive automated reminders, and even pay for services right from their phones. Stylists can manage their schedules, track client history, and process payments with ease. The difference is night and day. Hair salons, barbershops, and beauty professionals are a massive segment of Square Appointments users. They're dealing with complex schedules, variable appointment lengths, and the need to manage multiple stylists or technicians. The platform's ability to handle recurring appointments, manage staff calendars, and integrate with point-of-sale systems is a perfect fit for their needs. Think of the time saved by eliminating phone tag and manual confirmations. But it's not just about hair and beauty. Consider the world of wellness. Massage therapists, chiropractors, and personal trainers all rely on appointments to keep their businesses running smoothly. They need a system that allows clients to book sessions online, manage packages, and track progress. Square Appointments offers all of this and more, including the ability to send personalized intake forms and manage client notes. Imagine a busy massage therapist who used to spend hours each week confirming appointments and manually entering client information. Now, with Square Appointments, they can focus on providing exceptional service, knowing that their schedule is handled automatically. The platform's integrated payment processing allows clients to pay for their sessions online or in person, reducing the need for manual invoicing and follow-ups. Moving beyond the realm of personal services, we find a growing number of professional service providers embracing Square Appointments. Think consultants, tutors, and photographers. These individuals often work with clients on a project basis, requiring flexible scheduling and clear communication. The platform's ability to sync with calendars, send automated reminders, and manage client communication makes it an invaluable tool. A freelance photographer, for example, can use Square Appointments to schedule photo shoots, manage client bookings, and send invoices. They can also use the platform to collect deposits and track payments, streamlining their financial management. The customizable booking page allows them to showcase their portfolio and attract new clients. And let's not forget the growing number of small businesses offering classes and workshops. Yoga studios, art classes, and cooking schools all rely on efficient scheduling to manage their classes and enrollments. Square Appointments allows these businesses to create recurring classes, manage waitlists, and collect payments, simplifying the administrative side of their operations. A yoga studio owner can use Square Appointments to create a weekly class schedule, allow students to book online, and send automated reminders. They can also use the platform to track attendance and manage class packages, freeing up time to focus on teaching and engaging with their students. The beauty of Square Appointments lies in its versatility. It's not just for established businesses with large teams. It's also a powerful tool for solo entrepreneurs and freelancers who need to manage their time effectively. Imagine a mobile dog groomer, a personal chef, or a mobile mechanic. These individuals often work independently, traveling to clients' locations and managing their schedules on the go. Square Appointments allows them to access their calendars, book appointments, and process payments from anywhere, using their mobile devices. A mobile dog groomer can use Square Appointments to schedule appointments, send reminders, and collect payments on the go. They can also use the platform to track client information and manage their service areas, ensuring they're always organized and efficient. One of the most compelling aspects of Square Appointments is its user-friendly interface. Even those who are not tech-savvy can quickly learn to navigate the platform and take advantage of its features. The intuitive design and clear instructions make it easy to set up appointments, manage calendars, and process payments. Furthermore, the platform's integration with other Square products, like Square Point of Sale and Square Marketing, creates a seamless ecosystem for business management. This integration allows businesses to streamline their operations, automate marketing campaigns, and track sales and appointments in one place. For example, a salon owner can use Square Appointments to manage their bookings, Square Point of Sale to process payments, and Square Marketing to send targeted promotions to their clients. This integrated approach saves time, reduces errors, and improves the overall customer experience. Let's talk about the common pain points these businesses face. They include double bookings, missed appointments, inefficient scheduling, and time-consuming administrative tasks. Square Appointments addresses these issues by automating the booking process, sending reminders, and providing a centralized platform for managing appointments and payments. Consider the frustration of a business owner who constantly deals with no-shows. Square Appointments' automated reminders significantly reduce the number of missed appointments, saving time and money. The platform also allows businesses to set up cancellation policies and collect fees for late cancellations, further minimizing losses. The platform's ability to manage multiple calendars and staff schedules is another significant advantage. For businesses with multiple employees, coordinating schedules can be a logistical nightmare. Square Appointments simplifies this process by providing a centralized calendar that can be accessed by all staff members. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.